Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily create a table on Canva. So if this sounds interesting, then watch this video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you are new. Also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Now to get started, log into your Canva account and choose any of the template you want. For now, I'm going to choose the presentation template because it gives you a nice wide screen, which will be easier to create a wide table. Now, after you open a template, you need to go to Elements, and then if you see on the third option, you can see a separate section for tables. If you do see all, you can see a bunch of tables that you can choose from. Now if you select any of the tables, on any of the tables, table will be imported to your workspace. Now if you want, from here you will be able to scale this, or if you want, you can also add columns to it. If you want a column after or before, you can choose it from here. You can also move columns to the right or to the left, and if you want to delete a column, you can simply do it from here. You can also size it by pulling on the corner. This will give you a nice big table. So that's how you can create a table on Canva. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.